Welcome to the Brain Bulb Quiz. Are you ready to test your knowledge of everyday idioms? In today's video, we'll be exploring 20 common idioms and their meanings. Think you know them all? Each question will give you an idiom and a sentence for context. Choose the correct meaning from the options provided, and let's see how well you do. Get ready, because some of these might surprise you. Let's jump right in. What is the meaning of a blessing in disguise? Correct answer, A. An unexpected good outcome. What is the meaning of add fuel to the fire? Correct answer, A. Make a situation worse. What is the meaning of back to the drawing board? Correct answer, C. Start over. What is the meaning of bite off more than you can chew? Correct answer, A. Take on too much. What is the meaning of break the ice? Correct answer, B. Start a conversation. What is the meaning of burning the midnight oil? Correct answer, A. Working late at night. What is the meaning of caught between a rock and a hard place? Correct answer, C. Stuck between two bad options. What is the meaning of cut to the chase? Correct answer, A. Get to the point. What is the meaning of devil's advocate? Correct answer, B. Argue for the opposite view. What is the meaning of every cloud has a silver lining? Correct answer, B. Good in every bad situation. What is the meaning of give the benefit of the doubt? Correct answer. B. Trust without proof. What is the meaning of hit the sack? Correct answer. B. Go to bed. What is the meaning of kill two birds with one stone? Correct answer. B. Solve two problems at once. What is the meaning of let the cat out of the bag? Correct answer. A. Reveal a secret. What is the meaning of miss the boat? Correct answer. B. Miss an opportunity. What is the meaning of on the ball? Correct answer. B. Alert and ready. What is the meaning of pulling your leg? Correct answer. D. Joking with someone. What is the meaning of spill the beans? Correct answer. A. Reveal a secret. What is the meaning of under your nose? Correct answer. B. Right in front of you. What is the meaning of when pigs fly? Correct answer. C. Never.